Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and review into Huck's World. Today I got a couple of fun watch faces for you all to check out, and I know you're wondering where I get these watch faces from. I dive deep for this one. So if you could do me a favor, share this on social media or share it with everybody you know that loves watch faces. With that being said, let's kick off this review. All right, you all, let's kick this review off. Now, this one is nice. It's definitely a dress-down watch face, super casual, but yet it has all your fitness info in one place. And it's an analog watch face slash digital. Not a bad look at all. Now, the name of the watch face is called BS Watch Yellow. Now, you're going to get a few different colors in all. They're all going to be free for the taking in the Get Manager store. Question is, how long is this going to last? So make sure you download ASAP. Don't forget, share this on social media and with other people. And with that, let's do this. Now, I like the way it looks in the AOD mode. You're going to get a truly traditional watch face look. Kind of like an elegant look for the most part. Now, when the watch face is on, you got fun analog hands. You do got a nice black background, which is going to help with the battery efficiency, and a very simple analog watch face with all your step status info. So you're going to get steps, you're going to get your heart rate information, your battery, you're going to get a nice digital time down at the bottom. The font is very unique, and on top of it is going to be a 24-hour watch face. So you get 24 hours and you get a 12-hour watch face in one. I thought it wasn't a bad look at all, especially looking at this second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch. A download is a must. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 2. All right, you all, watch face number 2 is called BS Watch Active. This one here is by the same developer who created watch face number 1. Now, the developer is relatively new, so this is a 24-hour watch face. So maybe later on, this guy will come with a 12-hour watch face that looks just like this one. In the AOD mode, you are going to get a luxury looking feel so far as analog time is concerned, quite like watch face number 1. But when the watch face is on, very simplistic. You get a nice digital time. Now, the digital time is going to be in 24 hours. It's a nice look, and you're going to get your step status info as well. You're going to get your steps to the right. You're going to get your miles walked or ran at the top, and you're going to get your battery info. And down at the bottom, you will get your heart rate. Now, you're going to get a black background that's going to help with the battery efficiency. So this should be a nice watch face to have on your wrist if you're going to be out exercising on the run, or you want to use this for the work week. You'll be just fine. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.